Washington Heights was good as your boy Sell. Just filming live right here. 189 Washington Heights, New York City, between St. Nick and Wadsworth. Another peaceful night. Good night to get some sleep. Oh yeah, baby. Beautiful night to get some sleep, y'all. Oh yeah, here we go, St. Nicholas Ave right there. What a beautiful night, baby. Get some good sleep, man. Oh yeah, baby. Washington Heights, New York City. Another peaceful night, baby. Get some good sleep. Oh yeah. Well, it's your boy Sell. Giving you another one. Subscribe to the channel. SELT. Hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell. You already know. Peace, love, and happiness, y'all.